Double Belgian waffle maker keeps beeping. It started after a few waffles were made. Then the bottom and top plates didn't seem to be browning the waffle, just the middle plates.
What's the brand and model of your waffle maker? How old is it?
Cuisinart model number WAF F20.
How long has this been going on with your Cuisinart waffle maker? What have you tried so far?
It was a Christmas gift last year, 2019. Just started doing this today.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
We tried turning it off and on. Unplugging it. Letting it cool down and restarting it.
Hello, my name is you for choosing JustAnswers.com. I will do my best to help you today. Is it beeping 6 times? Are there any indicator lights?
It beeps continuously when plugged and there is a green light that blinks with each beep.
This is all I can find about beeping from the manual. Could it be just telling you it's ready to cook?
This was not helpful. It is not describing the problem.
I am sorry that wasn't helpful. I have discussed this with Cuisinart and they are prepared to replace the unit. As long as it is less than 3 years old. Please call them at ## and give them the serial number on the bottom of the unit. Thank you for your patience. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great night.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.